3 hacks that are going to help you attain greater success, which means you don't have to work hard, you don't have to be intelligent enough, you don't need to have some extraordinary talents in order to live a very happy and successful life. You just need 3 things, and that's what I'm going to reveal in this video. Hi guys, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal growth coach and communication specialist. And if you're new to the channel, I talk about personal development, communication, influence, success, and how you can live your best possible life. So if this interests you, do subscribe to the channel. 2014, I was working as a corporate employee. I was working as an HR professional. And I just thought that one day, I'm going to become HR head of company. I did not thought anything else, that amount of time. And then little did I knew that life has some different plans for me. 2014 and I decided to quit my job, and when I decided to do that, I really had no idea what I have to do next. I was going through a bad relationship breakdown, which just shattered my soul into pieces. And after a couple of months, after going through a lot of anxiety, stress, worry, I was literally questioning why I was even alive. And that's when I said that I want to do something that I really love doing. And that's when I got into training, and as I started training people, I started healing myself. And as I started training, I started adding a lot of value in the lives of people. I became an entrepreneur, and as I became entrepreneur, I was really curious to get answer of one question, and that is, why is it that some people are very successful whereas others are struggling? Okay, what different do they have? What they have? What is that magic that they have that others do not have? And in order to get answer of this one question, I decided to go on a re-education journey, because I know that what all I have learned in my life is not helping me. The schooling that I have gone through is not working in the real life. It's not helping me to live my life. It's not helping me to attain the success that I really want. So I decided to go on a learning journey, and I went through 12 back-to-back different personal development programs, learned from the amazing mentors who magically transformed my life. And as I completed those 12 programs, I got the answer. The answer is there is no magic. Okay, no magic. The magic is you. You need to build yourself. And in order to build yourself, these people have 3 things: attitude, mindset, and skills. So if you also have these things, which are learnable things, you become unstoppable. So after I learned from these people, I relaunched my business. I started addressing to hundreds of people, and I am somebody who couldn't go and speak to even one person. Okay, I was very confident. I was able to improve my self-confidence. I was able to become the much better version of myself. I was very clear who I am and what is my mission in life, and how I have to do certain things in my life in the right way. And from there, after that, there was just no looking. Okay, and after that, I coached and trained to close to 6,000 people, and I'm helping them live a very happy and successful life. And I created a hub which is called Grow Magically. So from there, all that my learnings of 7 years, I'm going to share out of these 3 secrets to a successful life, but also a happy life. Okay, so the first secret, positive attitude. Okay, now this looks very simple, right? Yeah, everybody talks about positive attitude. What is positive attitude? Well, positive attitude, this beautiful saying that says you can never have a positive result by negative thinking. Okay, so I was somebody, I used to constantly doubt myself. I used to always think worst. This is not going to happen. I'm good for nothing. I don't know if I can do anything good in my life. And I lost a lot of confidence after my relationship breakdown. So I used to question every possible thing I'm doing. Even if something good is happening, I used to ask myself, oh, why so good is happening? So what happens is when you have that self-doubt, when you have that questions on everything, or when you're constantly thinking the worst, you're going to attract the worst. Okay, whereas these successful people, before doing anything, they know that this is a done deal. Okay, it's like let's say anybody is making a Burj Khalifa. Okay, he has a plan. So when he's working on the plan, he knows that this is amazing, and I know it's going to be super hit. That's how they think. But what most of us do, oh my God, will this happen? Will this not happen? What if it fails? What that happens? Because your mind takes you in that negative spiral. Okay, so positive attitude comes by reprogramming your mind for success. Okay, reprogramming your mind. So one of the things that you can do to reprogram your mind is, if that person can do it, even I can do it. Okay, so anything that you want to achieve in your life, anything, any goal that you have, just ask yourself, is this something somebody else has done? If yes, then you say to yourself, okay, if this person can do, even I can do. Okay, so that's one way that you can incorporate this habit, in your day-to-day life. And if you're loving the content so far, please give a thumbs up so that it reaches to maximum people. Okay, the thing is working smart and not hard. Okay, so I always had this belief, that I need to work very hard in order to attain success and happiness, and the only reason I had this belief is because that's what I have seen from my childhood. I have seen that people are working 10 hours, 12 hours, and that's how the life is meant to be. It's meant to be full of struggle. It's meant to have a lot of challenges. But let me tell you, this is not how successful people think. They believe and they know that they don't have to work hard, they have to work smart. Okay, I'll give you a very simple example that you can immediately incorporate. Okay, see, I went on a learning journey. Okay, why I went on a learning journey? Because if I would have not learned all that, I would have been doing things in an old, boring, traditional way, which doesn't give me any output. Okay, so that's the perfect recipe of a disaster. That is a perfect recipe to just work hard. Okay, but what is, if you want any result, okay, and if somebody else has attained it and you learn from that person and you incorporate that thing as it is, you work smarter. Okay, because whatever you want to achieve, somebody has done it, right? Somebody has accomplished it. So if that thing and that person can give you how that needs to be done, and if you're going to copy that, if you're going to model that, you are also you'll also get the same results, because nothing in just works without any logic. There is some logic, there's some structure, there's some system, something, right? So here the core comes is how you build that rights that you need in order to go to that next level. So some of the skills that are really very important to succeed are communication skills, your wealth mindset, that is how you can reprogram your mind for wealth, law of attraction, because I love this topic, and success mindset, productivity. These are some of the skills that are like non-negotiable. Okay, that are going to, that's like you're going to build it once, but they're going to help you for the rest of your life. Okay, the third secret is mindset. Okay, now what is mindset? See, mindset is how different the successful people think versus others. Okay, so I have read close to 70 plus books on personal development, and let me tell you, 80% of the content is mindset. Okay, and Anthony Robbins says this beautifully, and I was getting this, but now I got this thought, and that is 80% is psychology and 20% is your skill set. Okay, so what is that psychology? It means what's inside the head, So what happens is, if there's any challenge that comes, are you going to just quit and you're just going to let it go, or you're going to rise it? You're just going to make it work. You're going to be persistent. Are you just going to do something that everybody else is doing, or you're going to do something that's right way to do certain thing? Okay, so these people have a mindset that we don't do any action, we do the right action. Okay, you take the action that's fruitful, not any action. Okay, the mindset is that things are easy. Things are easy. It's not that difficult. If anybody else can do it, even I can do it. Okay, that's the mindset. So here the winner's mindset is no excuses. I create my life, I create my destiny, and I want it and I get it. Okay, that's the mindset. Whereas others, they have a mindset that we are the victim. I don't have this, I don't have that. Excuses, excuses, and excuses. Okay, so no matter what, they are like, I want it and I would do it. That's it. End of the game. Okay, so that's the kind of mindset that you need to have in order to thrive. Okay, guys, this video has helped you, and if you love the content, please share your thumbs up and share your comments in the chat box, because I would love to read them and I would love to take your questions and help you in the best possible way. And if you're somebody who is looking forward to attain greater success and happiness in your life, do join my upcoming event, which is called Discover the Magical You. It is 2-day amazing program that's going to help you, wherein I'm going to give you everything that you need in order to attain a very happy and successful life. Not miss it. Bye-bye.